In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of deploying a ReactJs application on Azure App Services and configuring it with Git for seamless version control and continuous deployment. For simplicity, I have segregated the whole process into 5 small steps. Those are: Step 1. Create web app. Step 2. Create a Git personal access token with admin access, which will be used as password credential while creating connection pipe in Deployment Center in Azure Web App. Step 3. Create Git project repository. Clone this repository and push the changes made in your ReactJs web application. Step 4. Configure web app with Git. It involves creating connection pipe in Deployment Center in Azure Web App with the Git repository. Step 5. Fix a minor bug which arises due to ReactJs routing issue that causes rendering issue on page refresh. So, let's get started. So, our step 1 is create web app. Click on the Go to the Resource button. Select Deployment Center. Select External Git from the drop-down menu. Configure the SCM Basic Auth Publishing credentials as Yes. Then, we need to enter the Git credentials. So, our step 2 is create a Git personal access token. Go to the dashboard. Choose Manage. Go to Developer Settings. Choose Classic Token. Make changes. Copy the token. Our step 3 is create Git project repository. Our step 4, configure web app with Git. Enter the required credentials. For testing our web app, create a index.html file in our Git repository. Sync the deployment and browse. Fine, our web app is deployed successfully. Now let's push our project's build. Push only the files and folders inside the build folder of our project. Sync the deployment and browse. Now, see, on page refresh, we got page load error. So, our step 5 is to fix this bug. For this, create a file named as web.config, which contains the following code snippet. Keep this file inside public folder of our project and build the project again. Push the files and folders inside the build folder. Sync the deployment and browse. Fine, we have successfully fixed the issue. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on cloud deployment and web development. Thank you.